Hi, ma'am, sir. My name is Suhesti. You can call me Hesti. 14 years old, married. I don't have children. I come from Lampung. My experience in Indonesia 6 years for 2014 until 2020. My job is to general housework, sweep and mop the floor, scrub toilet, wash clothes, ironing and cooking, and cook Indonesia food, chicken soup, chapchai, balado fish and fried rice. I want to work in overseas because I need money for my family. Finish you. Bye.